Hello, team. I'm so sorry I can't be there with you, and thank you for that, Maria. Yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but there you go. You get this version, and I hope you can understand me without subtitles. Okay, so I'm here to talk about global, and I'm going to start with our mission. So, the mission for Global is to make sure that we can support our clients and enable our clients to engage workers wherever they are. So the clients can focus on what they do best, and we make sure that the solutions are in place and that we provide compliant solutions for them to achieve that. In terms of vision, what we see ourselves as responsible for doing and what we want to do is to deliver compliant solutions around the globe, whether that's going to be through our own entities or through partners. And we want to build these solutions that would be provided by our local entities as well. So I'm going to talk a tiny little bit about that in a minute. And these solutions, they should be efficient, they should be good for us in terms of business as well, and making us more competitive in this industry, and obviously supporting our clients. And again, talking about our clients, it's making sure that as we provide our services, that our services are just second to none in terms of quality, that we really excel in our service delivery, and that we look after our clients and our workers the best possible way. And this should really bring us to a position where we are recognized really in the industry as the best service provider. Yeah, so that would make us a true market leader. Our principles, in order to be able to achieve that, we're obviously focusing on increasing our in-house solutions. So that means we're currently setting up 2 entities, and by doing so, we can really guarantee the service delivery and that quality that I was talking about, and expanding our global footprint. We want to be a reference, as I said before. So really being, subject matter expert and being able to support our clients and to be referenced even for our competitors. Yeah. And where we don't have our own solutions, because obviously we're not going to be able to set up absolutely everywhere, not all of a sudden anyway. We want to make sure that we are engaging partners who understand service delivery, who have the same commitment to quality that we do, and who can provide those compliant solutions in the countries where we don't have our own entities. Finally, in order to be able to become this reference in the industry, we need to make sure that we stay up to date with all the legislations and regulations around the world, so that whether we have our own entity or we work through a local partner, that we understand what's happening in that country. We would be able to ensure compliance. We would be able to call out our partners if they're doing anything they're not supposed to do in terms of engagement and so on. So these are our guiding principles. And then I would ask for the next slide, please. Okay, so talking about our initiatives, just very briefly, I have to say what we are doing now is only possible because Jenna, and then eventually when Anissa joined her, they built the infrastructure, right? Jen in particular, for a long time, she ran the whole thing on her own, and she has created the basis for us to be able now to expand and to build from what she started. So part of that is setting up the entity here in the UK. So the entity is registered, and we're just finalising really the processes and making sure that the solution is ready to go to market, really. And that's where we're going to be able to transfer workers from other partners to our own payroll. So next one, please. And that's our Global Centre of Excellence. And here, what our focus here is making sure that we have an efficient blueprint. So something that we will be able to replicate, obviously accommodating all the nuances that you have with different countries, but having a blueprint, having that template that we'll be able to apply and make sure that when we set up a new entity, when we are designing our policies, when we're building our solutions and finding partners to support our operations, that we have a way of tackling that will make sure will help us move more quickly, more efficiently, and reach that end goal of having a solution up and running more quickly. The next one, please, should be Canada. Yes, that's it. So as everybody knows, or most of you will know, we have set up an entity in Canada, and we're a little bit behind compared to where we are with the solution in the UK, but it's still the same process, and we're working on the solution, we're working on the technology in order to be able to employ people directly in Canada. And finally, we should have a partner program. That's great. So as I was saying before, engaging the right partners and making sure that we're working with the best out there in the market, it's essential for us to do that. And this is what the partner program is. We are revamping the whole program. We're looking at new people to bring on board, and we will have to get rid of some of those who haven't necessarily been delivering in the same way that we expect. So that's it, guys. It was just a brief overview of the global team, and I won't be able to answer any questions, but Maria's there, Jenna's there, and so I'm sure they'll be able to help you if you want to know any more. So thank you very much. See you later. Bye.